many games we have to play now?
So we can win 2 and it's over. But if they win 2, then we gotta play another full series.
God damn it.
Okay.
We gotta win 2 now. Yeah, ready?
Ready? Whoa! What? He did it again! Oh, it hit his? Oh, I was aiming for it.
Yeah.
Alright, nice shot. Ready?
Yep. Do it again.
This is like a replay.
I just got short up. Not too many balls.
I keep shooting it on our own net. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, I'm sick of this.
Nothing but quality on this.
Clean. This video is gonna be good.
Ready?
Yeah. On the board! Woo! Picks the corner. Nice shoot, nice shoot.
Thank you.
I'll make 1 save this game, Phil, I swear.
Ready?
Yep.
I'll catch a pass too.
Have 1 pass, I'll make it 2.
Ready? We never see you guys. Yeah. Get the case seat. They're blocking the post. Nice save. Oh!
Nice shot.
You got it.
So the problem with 1 save might have been ambitious.
Ready?
Yep.
Just like the promise of 1 pass.
Oh my goodness. Ready? Ready.
Yep.
Every one of them's screwed.
Does that count? That's a pass.
Whose pen is this?
That's for you guys.
For you guys. 2.
Nobody has 2, sorry.
Is that for you guys?
Yeah.
For them?
What?
For Harry. You want to work? Yeah. We're on DNR. Oh, we got one!
It was off net, doesn't count.
Great. One remaining. We got one team, we got one.
That's a save.
Best save I've ever seen.
If you guys made that save with Monzini, we'd be in a different spot.
Ready?
Ready?
We're playing here?
The other side. Sure.
Ready?
Ready.
Damn.
What? No, we're digging out of the doldrums?
We're trying.
Ready?
I'm still waiting on that pass.
I know.
Finally, I got a pass.
Let me see.
Pass the street.
Okay, fellas.
Yep.
Two single tables
Really?
Yeah, but if I'm able to connect spin, then we can't play all the games. But we can play
Save, what a save.
And do I risk it all, right?
Yeah.
Always. Whoa! You went over, you hit my guy on this side.
Well, you told me to go for it. You're facing Casey swinging at the fences.
Yeah, that's good. Casey had to play there. Ready.
Joyce.
Adam was toying with us all along.
Good game.
It really was.
5-4. Woo. That was a close one.
Are they going to fund the bracket film?
That's why. I still gotta win another one.